Narrow vein mining, tight spaces. How can you lower costs while boosting productivity? The SITON DD21L low-profile phase drilling rig is purpose-built for narrow vein mining. Its ultra-compact design delivers high productivity with low operating cost. The machine weighs 13.85 tons with a length of 11.9 meters and width of 2.19 meters and a minimum height of just 1.57 meters. The maximum height 2.27 meters when the canopy is fully raised. Designed for low-profile underground mining applications, it covers strips cross-sections ranging from 4 meters wide by 1.9 meters high to 6.7 meters wide by 5.6 meters high. It comes standard with the Worsted A18DL hydraulic rock drill, with optional 20 kW, 22 kW, or 25 kW models for high-power models. With a maximum drilling depth of 3.4 meters, drilling diameters range from 43 to 102 millimeters, and a penetration rate of 0.8 to 3 meters per minute. Equipped with a double dampening system, it extends service life while significantly reducing rock drilling tool consumption. The long drilling bull with fully hydraulic parallelism keeps the bull automatically parallel for fast, precise positioning and high efficiency. The feed offers 316 degrees rotation with the boom extension of 1,400 millimeters and the feed compensation of 1,215 millimeters, providing a wider operating range. Key hydraulic components are sourced for world-renowned brands, paired with a premium international piston pump control system for reliable performance and extended service life. Automatic anti-jamming and drill roll reaction help protect the rock drill and drilling tools, reduce drilling tools consumption, and improve drilling efficiency. An optional axial automatic fire suppression system enhance operational safety. An optional centralized lubrication system makes easy maintenance. The electrical control system delivers safe and reliable operation, powered by a 55 kW main motor. The system features digital voltage and current displays, with overload protection and percussion are monitoring, making operation intuitive and convenient. Equipped with a FOBS-certified retractable safety canopy, it provides reliable protection for the operator. An ergonomic control layout and excellent visibility enhance comfort and safety during underground operation. Heavy-duty articulated chassis, 4-wheel drive, steering angle is plus or minus 14 degrees. Inner tunneling radius 2.6 meters. Outer tunneling radius 5.6 meters. Maximum gravitability is 14 degrees. Maximum jamming speed is 10 kilometers per hour. Stable jamming, excellent maneuverability. Minimize machine haste to the extreme limit. Lower cost, maximize productivity, greater return on your investment. SITON DD21L, the smart choice for cost-efficient, low-profile mine development.